Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So here's how to quickly and easily leave a Roblox group on your PC. First, you need to go to roblox.com, log into your account, and once you're logged in, you need to tap on the Roblox homepage and find the menu on the left and click on Groups. If you don't see the Groups option, tap on Communities that you will find between Transactions and Themes option. Once you're in this page, you will see the list of communities that you have joined. Now, if you want to leave any community that you no longer want to be the part of, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the community page. And there you will see the option of leave community that is below the make primary option. Go ahead and tap on that. Now tap on yes to confirm your decision and you'll be done. Once you've done this, you will no longer be a member of the group and you won't get any more notifications from them. You can also leave as many groups as you want. If you're the owner of the group, you might need to transfer ownership to someone else before you can live. Leaving a group will not delete any items you bought through that group. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.